Yeah. The most notorious Rubin Carter was boxing's real warlord and white America's worst night terror. A force of destruction entering 1963, coming off of wins to Fernandez, Brennan, and Mims, all of them fight veterans. Carter's 18th professional bout would be against Jose Gonzalez from Puerto Rico, would face the handsome Hurricane in a televised matchup. The main event in Madison Square Garden on March 30th, 1963. Carter would suffer from a detached retina in his right eye from this bout with Gonzalez and fought on despite the eye issue. From this injury, he'd later go blind in prison in his right eye. Carter was a very, very powerful left hooker, and in this bout, he'd lose this bout because Jose Gonzalez, like Rubin would say in his book, he would nickname Gonzalez the Billy Goat because he would use like his head as a third glove, and he was fighting Carter dirty that way. But I believe Carter was winning this whole bout. Every round, I'd say Carter was really sticking it to Gonzalez, but if he'd probably have beat Gonzalez had Gonzalez not fought him dirty, you know? One moment in this bout that's pretty cool. This is one moment that's pretty cool where they just trade a bunch of shots, and then the round is over. And then the second round, Carter had a pretty good round, and Carter's his head movement is very basic but effective. Carter backing up Jose Gonzalez. Jose Gonzalez, I was surprised. Personally, I was surprised at how good of a physique Gonzalez looked. Pretty strong compared to Rubin Carter, who had the best physique in the division. He was like a Cleveland Williams. Personally, this is a sad loss because, I think Carter should have won. Not because he's my favorite, but, because Carter was beating him the whole fight.